Aberjhani.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, we know each other from our contact on the internet.
I am a sloppy lover. That much I will confess. My kiss has swollen rivers into torrents of night and reduced continents to bashful, stuttering islands. But my eagerness is sincere, and my passion never arid. Oh, behold, sweet darling earth, the 9 billion silver drops of my fingertips poised like a species of liquid birds suspended above the hills and mountains and deserts and valleys of your lush cosmic beauty, waiting for you to say yes, to say touch, to say come inside my love, to say annihilate and resurrect, and where sweet love are you? Recall, please, the fury of our innocence, my shy gaze of melting hurricanes dissolving in the landslide of your breath, rushing forth like tigers. Recall, please, my fever dropping from the sky and filling your belly with the sapphires and rubies and mysteries neither revealed nor forsaken. To what did our tremblings give birth? To oceans of green and to air with the knowledge of itself, to the very lightning that severed our coupling with the sad roar of its jealousy and hunger. And what was that like for you, lovely earth of passion, kneeling Jesus to the cross of mankind's ignorance, earth of nations wolfing at each other's throats, earth of moonlight and crushed hearts, and days dizzy with beauty? What was that like for you? Seeing my arms turn suddenly to ghosts, and watching my face float backward into the heat's cruel laughter. I fear the sun had murdered you. Thus I flooded heaven with 1,000 galaxies of unrelenting vengeance until my tears gathered blessings to fall once more upon your breasts. So sweet there, upon your breasts. How lovely there upon your breasts. And it has been that way ever since. Me spiraling downward, stormy and luscious inside of you, then snatched back into sorrow by the sun's bitter teeth. I am rain, and thou art the element of my desires. Spread soft the holy garden, and with this thunder soothe your weeping fire.
You, my friend, are very, very deep. You're a very deep, complicated man. And I think of you more as